All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So instead of, to replace something. Instead of. Yeah. I want to read instead of listening to it. I will go there instead of watching videos about it. Yeah. Do you think they will be here instead of them? Yeah. Instead of a signal, we just got noise. All this static noise, yeah, instead of a picture. Yeah. Instead of a picture, we got this. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. We put lights on instead of candles. Yeah, we don't use candles. We don't use candles. We use lights instead. How cool is that? I'm using some colours instead of ink. Yeah. We're wearing thick shoes instead of thin ones for nature. How cool is that? Yeah. Do you think they will be here instead of her? Will she come instead of him to the meeting? How cool is that? Yeah. Instead of Latin, I am learning Spanish. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Now, can you use instead of in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.